This phone just changed the game. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 144Hz AMOLED display, and 6400 mAh battery, all under 25,000 rupees. This is the iQOO Neo 10R, and in this video, I'll tell you if this is the best performance phone you can buy right now. Let's go. First, let's talk about unboxing. Inside the black box, you get the phone itself, a clear TPU case, an 80 watts fast charger, Type A to Type C cable, SIM tool, and paperwork, everything you need. Now for the design, it's bold, funky, and retro-inspired. The Neo branding glows when light hits it. The phone is light at just under 197 grams and super slim at 7.98 millimeters. You also get an IP65 rating for splash protection. On the front, there's a 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and HDR support for both YouTube and Netflix. It's sharp, vibrant, and bright enough for outdoor use. Glass protection? You get shot sensation up protection, tough and premium. Now let's talk performance. The Neo 10R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a flagship-level chip. It's paired with LPDDR5X RAM and either UFS 3.1 or UFS 4.1 storage depending on the variant. In benchmarks, it scored around 17 lock-on and 2.2 in performance mode, insane for the price. Gaming? BGMI runs at 90 FPS smoothly. Genshin Impact plays well on high settings with only slight warming. Warzone Mobile did lag a bit, but that's more about the game's optimization. The phone also has vapor chamber cooling and supports bypass charging, so you can game while plugged in without hurting the battery. For cameras, the Neo 10R has a 50MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide. Photos in daylight look sharp with natural colors and good detail. Indoor shots are solid too. You get 2x digital zoom from the main sensor, sometimes a bit over-sharpened but usable. Portrait mode is surprisingly good with proper edge detection. Ultra-wide images are decent, though not as detailed. For video, you can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, and stabilization is acceptable for casual use. Now battery, this is where it gets wild. You get a massive 6400 mAh battery with 80 watts flash charge. It easily lasts over a day even with gaming and media. And that bypass charging feature is a huge bonus for gamers. The phone runs on Fun TouchOS based on Android 14. You do get some bloatware, but most of it is removable. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.